It's about 43 degrees outside right now. Well, imagine that, the rain caught us. Well, one thing about it, you can't get coronavirus from fish. And that's where we're going today. We're gonna go fish. I have a feeling the crappie are biting down here at the Spillway in Monroe County at Lake Monroe. We're gonna check it out and see if that's the case. So stay tuned. Well, it looks like it's rolling pretty good. It's about 43 degrees outside right now, and we're gonna try to get out there and catch some fish. There's rain moving in. You can probably hear the windshield wipers on. There's rain moving in, and we're gonna try to beat it. Get out here and catch some fish. I'm gonna put the GoPro on. It's waterproof. Won't be taking the big camera out there. Don't want to risk it coming a downpour. And running a very nice camera. So I'll put the GoPro on my chest. We'll turn that baby on and go try to catch some fish. All right, let's get our stuff and get down there. Well, the crappie didn't seem to want those little jigs. I switched over to a jerk bait. I don't know if you can see this or not. It's one I was using in my last video. We'll try it out for a little bit. May have to switch over to the secret weapon for the crappie here in a bit. Fellow down here fishing next to me. See if he catches anything. It is a little bit chilly. Wind's blowing. It's sprinkling. Well, imagine that, the rain caught us. I was getting pretty good and soaked down there. I might have got to fish for about 30 minutes. I got a couple of bites, but nothing very aggressive. Nothing that I could set a hook into. Just wasn't a good time. So, what I'm gonna do is when I get a chance, I'm gonna pull over up here. And we are gonna pick a winner for a new Hoosierback Outdoors hat. I will load up the random YouTube comment picker. We will pick a winner from a couple of videos ago. I'll be giving away a hat, and I'm looking forward to picking it out and seeing who might be getting this hat. We'll pull over here in just a second. We'll pick a winner. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to finish this one in the garage. It's coming downpour, there's spitting snow, there's a little bit of sleet mixed in with it. It's gotten really, really cold. March in Indiana, or March in the Midwest, pretty much. Now, we're gonna pick a winner from a couple of videos ago, and we are gonna use the random YouTube comment picker. We're gonna pick out a winner for this hat. And let's see if I can get my finger on here, and we'll start now. Let's see who gets it. Who is it? I can't see it. Eric Baxter. Eric Baxter, I want it, is what he put. I want it. If you remember the video, I told you to put I want it in the comments, somewhere in the comments, to be entered in the drawing to win this hat. So Eric Baxter, get a hold of me at this email I'm gonna put right here. Get a hold of me via email and we will get this hat sent out to you. Thanks so much for coming with me today on this cold, rainy day, trying to fish a little, picking a winner. Congratulations to Eric Baxter. Get a hold of me, don't forget, via email. We'll get this hat sent out to you. We'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.